Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to unbox the table tennis table from Innov8 Sports. This table tennis table can provide hours of entertainment and fun. This table is portable and foldable, and you can set it up easily within a few minutes. Guys, let's start unboxing. Please watch this video till the end. This table tennis table comes with a tabletop, a removable net, which can be rolled up for storage when not in use, 2 balls, and 2 table tennis paddles. Without any tools, you can get a table tennis table by just unfolding it, which allows you to have a fast action play at any time for indoor or outdoor use. Besides, the 2 locks keep the table tennis table folded, and the handles make it more convenient to carry. This table tennis game takes place on a table, divided by a net. And, except for the initial serve, the general rules of the table tennis game are as follows. The players must allow the ball played towards them to bounce once on their side of the table, and they must return it so that it bounces at least once on the opposite side. The net is a rectangular mesh over which players hit the ball back and forth with the paddle. Stretched taut, and attached to posts at either end of the table tennis table, and it divides the court into equal halves. You can use this table tennis table for indoor use, and you can also use it outdoors for short periods, but you'll need to move it back inside after you've finished playing. The anti-skid pad under each leg contributes to the stability of the table tennis table, allowing you to enjoy the tennis table game without any worries. This table tennis table is the best gift for table tennis lovers, and its foldable design makes it more convenient for both storage and carrying, and makes the assembly tool-free. The overall dimensions for this table tennis table are 120 by 60 by 70 centimeters. Please like this video, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.